ARIE and I'm back in another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be styling my knotless, medium knotless braids. I don't know how many ways yet. It's going to be in the title. I already did the same video with straight hair, I believe, and then I had crochet braids. If I'm not mistaken, it was years ago. But yeah, okay, now my box braids are looking a little dusty. I think this is like, when was my last one? When did I get my braids done? May 25th will make 3 weeks since I've had my braids done. My hair grows out pretty quick, so that's why it looks like I've had it in for a month. But yeah, and another thing, I like old braids. Why do I have my AirPods in? I like old braids. I not hate, but like I really strongly dislike new braids. Like I don't like the fresh tight look. I like the old, you know, look. I don't know, that's just me though. But yeah, enough talking. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys plenty of different ways to style your box braids. If you guys want me to do any other videos, comment them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like I said. Share with everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.